You come back here. Hey! Hey! Today is Sunday and we have our basketball game. It's our semi-finals and we're going to play. Everything changes.
Life.
We have arrived in our destination to play the game. After this, we're going to play and
12 seconds.
yeah, wish us luck. The Central Zone Basketball League is the all Filipino basketball and I'm going to play. Okay, bye-bye. So we won the game and uli na! Andiyan lang. Finals. What can you tell about the game?
Between
Our game, semi-finals.
I just saw that DJ blocks Uncle J-Boy and you hit
What?
a shot 2 points and JP hit a 3-pointer.
Okay.
It's good. It was good.
Good.
Okay.
Okay.
I just remember that I tore my kangaroo jersey.
Yeah, he tore.
I wanna see if Russell Westbrook and Kevin Durant will shake hands.
You wanna see? You see that?
Or you damn Drake Knight.
Ready, go.
I'm the free throw camera.
What's that? Why's your face like that?
Mouthpiece.
Okay, okay.
I know what's James Harden.
Wow. Mark Gasol, go Mark Gasol. Mark Gasol. You come back here. Hey. Hey. LeBron.
LeBron?
You know LeBron?
LeBron. So is Brooke.
Shoot. Watching the camera. Okay guys, this is the end of our video.
And please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube videos, and also subscribe in our YouTube channel. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
See you, bye.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.